Alright, kindergarten, our book this week is Trucks Roll. Alright, this is our big book. I'm going to do my best to read it upside down so you can see the pictures. And let's get started. So our book is Trucks Roll, and the author is George Ella Lyon. And remember, the author writes the words in the book. And the illustrator is Craig Frazier, and the illustrator draws the pictures or colors them. Alright, I wonder what our story is going to be about. I'm thinking maybe about some big semi-trucks. Trucks roll. Got all kinds of pages before the book starts. Alright, here we go. Truck's wheels go round and round. Truck's pistons go up and down. Trucks roll. Trucks have trailers, trucks have cabs, some haul rabbits, some haul labs. This truck's hauling a rabbit, and a lab is a dog, so this would be a yellow lab, and this truck's hauling dogs. Some haul apple juice, some haul trees. Water them down in the desert, please. Trucks roll. So here we have a flatbed, and it looks like it has some trees. And this truck is hauling all the apple juice. Now, do you think they actually haul apple juice like this? Giant apples in a big, giant trailer? They probably have some wrapping around them, or they're probably in boxes to keep them safe. Trucks bring ice cream, trucks bring blocks. Books and bulldozers, dolls and clocks. So here's a bulldozer getting pulled on a flatbed. Here's the ice cream truck, the bookmobile, and this looks like a toy truck with a doll and a clock. Dispatcher calls, says, get underway. Chocolate chip cookies have to travel today. These are giant chocolate chip cookies. I wonder where they're going. Stacks of puzzles ready to load. Spaceships, toy trains, get them on the road. So here's our loading the trucks up. Here's a big giant puzzle. Here's the train, and this must be the spaceship getting loaded into the truck right here. Pretty cool. Haul them through mountains, over rivers, past towns, around blue sky curves, through rain pouring down. So trucks haul all over the place. Trucks roll. We got all kinds of trucks. Steering wheel, radio, horns deep beep, TV in the bunk where the tired truckers sleep. Truck stop. So the truck stops for the trucker to sleep, and they have a cab in the back, so they sleep in the back of their truck every night instead of in the house when they're on the road. Stop for traffic lights, stop for tolls, stop for pork chops and cinnamon rolls. So they're at a truck stop. Stop for way stations, stop for gas, stop for the night to let the sleepiness pass. Stars above like headlight beams, truckers travel, rolling dreams. So some truck drivers drive all at night. While everyone else is sleeping, there's still some truck drivers that are driving in the night. Then, key in the slot, coffee in the cup, truckers at the wheel. When the sun comes up, so now they're ready for their day. They got their cup of coffee, and it's off to driving truck all day. Trucks roll. So that, kindergarten, is the end of our book. And I want you to think of some other things. Let's say 3 other things that trucks can carry, or what are some different things. Where do trucks go to? Okay? Good job. Thanks for listening. Hope everyone's having a great day.